Hello guys, welcome to this new session. So in this session we are going to learn about the public address system. So we can also call as a PAS system. The P indicate public, A indicate address, S indicate system. So this is also one of the very smallest system, but there is a lot of component. As the technical MEP quantity surveyor should be know the component of this system, and also we have a lot of work to count this component. So we will see one by one. First off, the definition of the public addressing system, we can say like this: the public addressing system is a collection of equipment. So we have to count these equipment from our drawing, and it says like this: designed to amplify voice and music. So a large number of people can hear the sounds from a small voice. So the main intention of this system is to enlarge the voice and music to a large number of people. So we can say like this: the airport and also some shopping malls, metro station. We can also hear some advertisement or some instruction from the management. This is the public address system. So the small voice can amplify from the devices. It will be sent to a large number of people from some equipment. So we have to understand this point. The main part of this public address system is there are some main components are available. The first one is speakers. It's help us to listen the advertisement or instruction from the person. So we can say like this. And also the power amplifier. So it is also help to enlarge the sound. So this is the main function. The mixture mean we can mix our voice, music and other things. Apart from this microphone, so it is also help to announce some instruction, something from the microphone, and also an arrangement of cables. So these are the main components or main parts of the public addressing system. You can see here the microphone. So we can make some instruction from the microphone. So this the signal is coming from the microphone to the mixer. So in this mixer will help to us to mix some music and other things from the mixer. So then the mixing sound, it's going to amplifier. Then the amplifier internally will help to us increase the decimal of sound. Then its sounds going to the speakers. So a speaker also help to enlarge the sound and publish the quality of sound the large number of people. So this is the internal function of this public addressing system. Let's discuss some public address related component. The first one is the speakers. So the appearance of the speakers also look like the main function is transforming the electrical signal back to the sound. So this is the main function. And also there is a lot of type of speakers are available. The wall mounted speakers. Did you remember we already discussed in the lighting system? There's a wall mounted lighting, floor mounted lighting, ceiling mounted lighting. The same concept. The wall mounted speakers mean the speakers fixed on the wall. So it's the main concept. And also recessed wall speakers mean the